G'day, how's it going? So tonight we're heading out to ICONSIAM for a coffee. It's about 6:15 and it's peak hour for the office workers to finish work, so we're going to brave 2 BTSs and a boat ride. So let's go and see what's happening. So we just got off the BTS at Sapantaxon and we're heading down here to the Sathorn Pier. G'day mate. We will grab the boat across to ICONSIAM. The old soy dogs. The boat's 8 baht per person normally, so it's all very quiet here though, isn't it? What's the time? Yep, 7 PM. But you come along to the end here and you can't miss this ICONSIAM sign. Okay, so the fuel prices have hit here and it's gone up 50% to 12 baht per person. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can't now for the trees. The old ghost tower in the background. Might just be able to see it. It's always an experience getting off those boats. You had a bit of trouble lining up there. Here we are, ICONSIAM. Yeah, they always do something different, don't they? For all you rich people out there, first floor is the floor you want to come to. Gucci, Dior, Louis Vuitton, just all the places we like to hang out. Bulgari, Tiffany & Co. No, we're going that way to the poor part of the mall. But Adele's, as long as she doesn't go inside, I'm happy. Oh yeah, satchel. I like the little red man holding it up. Let's carry on. His ears are moving. Good set there, but oh, there his ears are moving. He's still alive. He's breathing. I gotta admit, that's pretty cool. It's pretty popular. We used to have a fox terrier that used to sleep like that. I'm sure the little dogs like to sleep like that. You see his stomach moving. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Oh, this is pretty cool too. Gentle monster. It's like the aliens have landed. I don't want to look at the price of these glasses. 8,000. The odd sneakers back there were a pair were 9,000 Thai baht. So there's normally a waterfall coming out of the roof there. I don't know whether that's just on the weekends, but we're on a Tuesday night here tonight, so maybe they're saving power. Just in case we get to the end of the video and you'll say, hey, we didn't see the waterfall. It's not working at the moment. But we've come up to, what level are we on? Level 7. As much as we don't like Starbucks, this is a pretty nice store, and they've got a nice outdoor area where we can overlook the Chao Phraya River. So we'll grab a coffee here and head out to the balcony out there. Okay, I stand corrected. Looks like they've got the waterfall going. So let's have a quick look. I don't know if you can see that, but it came up ICONSIAM in writing. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Let's go and grab our coffees. Okay, the heat's about to hit us. Oh. Is that hot or what?
可以啊，为他们，是要求你们的这种质量比。